In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Mighty Networks. Now, the easiest way to do this is inside the feed space over here. If you can't see it, click on create space down at the bottom, and then from here you'll be able to see feed. You can view the template and just create your feed space over here. Now, inside you want to go to share a post, and this is where you basically have to decide which type of poll you want. So if you click on this button which says create poll, it's going to give you 4 options over here. The first one is question, so it can be just a question. The second one is a multiple choice, which looks like this. You can add choices, and here you have like hot and cold as well. And then here you also have the percentage. So I'm going to show you how all of these look like. For example, if I'm just going to do a question over here, do you like this channel, for example? And then here it's going to be a question. If I post this, as you can see, I'm not going to notify, and it's going to pop up as a post like this. And this is basically a poll. People can click share your answer over here, and then they can basically answer in here. So this is the first poll you can actually create. The second one is if I go here and if I do, for example, multiple choice, you can go ahead and select which isn't a color of the rainbow, for example. Of course, whatever you want to do here, this is just an example. And I'm going to do red, blue, and of course you can add multiple ones over here, and then I'm going to do green as well. And then here you can do private responses or not. That's completely up to you. And then when you post it, it's going to look like this over here. There we go. People can basically vote to actually, so we can actually see what people think. Okay. Now you also have another one here, which is the hot and cold. So if I go ahead over here, I'm just going to type in hot or cold for this one over here, and I'm going to click on post. Now this won't really make sense, but still you get kind of the point. There we go. As you can see, I can go ahead and select negative, which is cold, or positive, which is hot, and I can go ahead and click whenever I'm done, and then I'll basically mark my answer, and you can then see the results kind of on this chart over here, which is quite nice. Now we have the last one over here, which is called percentage. So here you just basically can select. I'm just going to type in percentage, like what percent of you like my channel, or something. So for example, I'm going to do post, and then I'm going to do don't notify, and here, as you can see, I will have to kind of select the percentage. Now in my case, this doesn't really kind of make sense. You can go ahead and type in whatever percentage question you have, but that's basically how to create polls. Now I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.